Hello friends, welcome to our channel Asa Creation. Today I am planning to do acrylic pour with peacock color paint by using citric juicer. For this painting I am using 14 by 11 canvas, and for paint I am using white, blue, yellow, light blue and sap green. All paints are mixed with 1 part of paint, 3 parts of floetrol, few drops of water and 2 or 3 drops of silicone. For this painting I am using citric juicer and doing dirty pour. Torch, water to clean brushes. First I will cover my canvas with white paint. I'm just trying to cover this canvas. I'm seeing few bubbles, so I will torch it. Now I will pour all paints in this cup for dirty pour method. Now I will place this citric juicer in the middle and pour these paints. Wow, I'm already getting cells. These colors looks beautiful. Exactly like wings of peacock. I'm just trying to pour all paint. So beautiful. I love it. Just trying to cover the canvas. Oh, looks so beautiful, so real. Looks like peacock opened his wings and dancing. Do you see the bird in the center? It's beautiful. I got lots of cells. Oh, I love it. I'm just trying to cover the sides. It's like few places are missed, so just covering sides now. More cells are popping. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's project. If you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again.